Hello, my name is Omar Shawa and I'm pleased to welcome you to presentation on Nestle Canada for sugar procurement. As a buyer, making an informed decision is essential to maintaining cost efficiency, product quality, and supply stability. In this presentation, we'll provide key insight into Nestle operation, sugar roles in Nestle, quality determination, and lastly is market dynamic and supplier consideration. I will begin with the first phase, which is the company background. Nestle was founded in 1866 and started operation in Canada in 1887. It is the largest food beverage company worldwide with headquarters in North York, Ontario, and Canada. Nestle employs over 3,700 and has a production plant in London and Ontario, focusing on ice cream, confectionery, and coffee production. Nestle Canada offers a wide range of products, including chocolate like Kit Kat and Oreo, beverages like Nescafe and Nesquik, dairy, infant nutrition, pet care, and prepared meals. Sugar plays a key role in these products by adding sweetness, improving textures, and extending shelf life. Nestle global revenue reaches around 100 billion USD in 2023 with a significant market share in Canada. It competes with companies like Mars, Hershey, Starbucks, and Unilever in various food categories, including confectionery and beverage and dairy. Sugar is a vital ingredient in Nestle product in confectionery. It enhances sweetness and textures in dairy and ice cream. It improves stability in beverages and sweetness drinks like Nesquik. It also plays a role in infant nutrition, prepared meals, and health science products. Now I'll pass it over to my colleague Marianne Shabazz, who will discuss sugar role in Nestle products.
Hello everyone, thank you Omar. And Nestle utilizes the sugar as a fundamental ingredient across a wide range of its food and beverage products. The company sources both sugar cane and sugar beets. Over 160 suppliers by 60 countries. Major of suppliers are Brazil, India, Mexico, Thailand, and USA. Sugar integrated to many Nestle products, which mentioned Omar before. And let's continue with characteristic. By classification is categorized on source and level of refinement, cane or beet sugar. By type, raw, white, specialist sugar kind like a brown or powdered. By properties classification, characteristic crystal size, color, purity, flavor, profile, and packaging, various packaging formats from bulk shipment to small bags. Company committed to responsible sourcing practices as a deforestation-free. By 2023, it was 98.1% and ensure compliance with its responsible sourcing core requirements as supply chain mapping, on-the-ground verification, and geographic informational system as GIS. And distinguished properties. Company use sugar reduction technologies, which helps reduce the sugars from ingredients such as malt, milk, and fruit juices up to 30%. And process allows for sugar reduction without adding sweeteners or bulking agents. Nestle aims to ensure that the sugars used in its products meet quality standards, align with the sustainability goals, and cater to evolving customer preference. Thank you. I'll give the voice for the next speaker.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Al Husseini, and today I will be talking about how Nestle Canada ensures the quality of its sugar. Nestle Canada makes sure the sugar in the products is pure, safe, and high quality. They follow strict rules, test every batch, and inspect it carefully. There is three steps for that: commitment to quality standards and certifications. Number two, what makes high quality sugar, and number three is inspection and testing process. Quality standards and certifications, like food safety rules, Nestle follows good manufacturing practices, GMP, and HACCP to keep factories clean and prevent contaminations. How Nestle defines high quality sugar purity ICOMOS rating. High quality sugar has a lower ICOMOS number like 45. Sugar inspection and testing. This slide talking about before acceptance. Suppliers provide a quality certificate and Nestle tests the sugar for purity and texture. Inspection and testing process. Sugar is checked for moisture, ICOMIS rating, and contamination. Why it's important? Nestle's strict process ensures their sugar is clean, safe, and the best quality for consumers.
With my commodity presentation on Nestle Canada Inc., the main commodity is sugar. Nestle is known as one of the largest food and beverage companies in the world, with various commodities which they use to manufacture its ranges of products. Sugar is a key ingredient for the manufacturing of many of their products, such as beverages, confectionery products like chocolates and other candy products, cereals and snacks, and dairy. When we go forward, we get to know that there's supply and demand of the sugar, which Nestle obtain their sugar both domestically and internationally, so that they can keep a balance in the supply chain and also optimize cost. Domestically, they are in collaboration with countries like Brazil, India, and Europe with local sugar producers for the supply of sugar. Also, they are in partnership with other large domestic suppliers like the US Sugar Corporation. Internationally, there are also other major global suppliers in Brazil and India, Thailand, um, Australia that also supply them with sugar. Also, with the demand, there's a high demand of sugar due to the increase of consumption in both food and beverages. And Nestle actually contributes to significantly to the demand of sugar, and health-wise too, the reduction of sugar initiatives also has brought into the alternative of using sweetness in place of sugar. Also, when we look at the estimated sugar procurement, we can see that there's Europe 30%, Brazil and India 50, and other regions 20 in the past years, that is around 2023.
Hi everyone, my name is Itoya Onabo. I am doing a presentation for Canada Nestle Group 1. Introduction: Understanding sugar market dynamics, the pricing and the factors that affect it. Here at the current price of sugar as from March 2025. Here are the historical price trends. And these are the factors that affect sugar. Number one is the weather impact. And secondly is the production and demand. Thirdly is the trade and currencies. And fourthly, it's the biofuel and stock competition. And lastly, economic and Nestle strategy. In conclusion, sugar price remain unpredictable. Nestle must adapt through sourcing strategy and product innovation. Here are some references. Thank you very much and have a great day.